Hi everyone. Today I found recently interesting cloud-based ERP, and we're gonna talk about the basic functions of it, and also I will compare this ERP to the account ERP that I'm usually using these days. The ERP's name is ODOO. This ODOO ERP is also cloud-based, as you can see. Cloud-based ERP, but also this ERP is customizable with additional coding. So it is kind of different from account ERP. Account ERP is it usually says that it's customizable, but technically this is just has customizing tool, which is called user customization. But other than that, they cannot add any more module by coding. So today I'm also kind of new user of this solution, so I'm gonna just go through basic function that can be a little bit special compared to other Korean ERP program. This ERP program is from Belgium, so it has usually made in English, but it also supports Korean language. Apparently, they started to, as you can see, they started to translate each function to Korean little by little, but it's not perfect. So if there's anyone who wanna use ERP solution only in Korean, this ERP cannot be an option yet. So let's see one by one. If you look at the account ERP, this ERP program always tell us that they have special and wide range user customization function. The ODOO also has similar function which is called ODOO Studio. This, if you look at this icon, you can even, which is kind of different from account ERP. You can even make your own module. You can add, if you click new app, it shows ODOO Studio, and you can just, let's say, your own module. Next, and just whatever. And you can add the sub module that you want to put in and create your app. And as you can see, there are many fields that you can add with your just taste. Just you can put just by dragging, drop this. And you can, have your own label name and also another tooltip and widget and so on, which can be actually way more detailed than account's customization function. But the slight problem is that if you guys use different language than English, this program may cause some error in some Korean. Now it works. Maybe they fixed it, but recently when I tried it last week, it didn't work. There was pop-up that shows that they cannot I'll say show it effectively or something. So there can be still possibility that they cannot somehow digest this 4 byte characters. Anyway, if you compare this with eCount, this input script setting, they all already show some basic frame. So what you can do, just add some field or remove like this. But this ODOO can be more customizable. Like you can even I'm still learning it, but you can still you can move this. Let's say, let me try again. You can move by dragging and drop. And if I go back, oops, the existing, we can also modify existing module. Let's go to CRM module and create. Let's go to as you can see, I already added lots of property here, lots of field, and apparently these fields are not limited. The number of fields are not limited. You can just unlimitedly add the properties, which can be really strong function of this program, because most of solution doesn't let customers add fields in the first place, and even eCount they suggest this similar function, but the number of the fields are limited. As you can see, this is all they can add. And also, if you look at the right side of the slip, you can see the history in detail, very detailed. This eCount also has similar function. But they usually show the current. They didn't usually show the, say, let me change like this. Yeah, they show it's modified, but they don't show how, from what to what. But as you can see, they show more detail after. So, of course, they don't show like every single history. Let's say if I add and even though I put it here, they don't show it. So apparently they pick up only a few fields that they can show details, but still I believe that their details are a little more than eCounts or other cloud-based application. And also, if you go to calendar module, it's just ordinary calendar module, but the special thing about this calendar module is they have the function that can be synced to Google and Outlook calendar. So which can be very strong because most of users are actually they're not using this kind of calendar or on the ERP system, but they use only use I think most of them use Google Calendar. So this function can be very strong one for average users. And I'm just kind of listing because I'm also getting to know this program function. So I'm just listing the for me special functions that can be kind of distinguished from compared to other ERP system. Let me check. I think I have checked. Contacts. No. Sales. I cannot find the. I wanted to actually show you guys how they manage the pricing. I will tell you guys the next video, and let's jump to the accounting module. Actually, this system is based on American accounting system, so it can be very different from quite different from other countries the system, which is also yeah Korean accounting standard is also different from American one, so it's kind of bothering. But if you guys want to use accounting module on ODOO, you guys need to set up all the accounting code from scratch. Let's see. I'm sorry, guys. I will just show you this. This is from my blog, and I already captured this page before. This is from ODOO, and as you guys can see, the code and the name of each accounting accounts are quite different from other countries. So, but there's still a function that you where you guys can modify each of them. And based on what I heard recently from the salesman from this company, they are planning to customize. I mean, they are planning to change all this standard by each country one by one. So it may take some time, but if you guys wait a little more, you guys may be able to use this accounting module based on your country standard. So that's all that I wanted to talk about today, and I'm still trying to figure out. But I think this ERP is quite valuable because many actually cloud-based ERP system doesn't support this kind of detailed customizing tool and customizable the what is it, platform, because they also support their own developers if customers need it. So thank you for listening to this today's video. And if you guys like this ODOO ERP and wanna go through it more, please comment down below, then I will tell you guys more details. Thank you. Bye bye.